Hair loss is a common problem that affects millions of men around the world. It's a condition that doesn't discriminate, affecting men of all ages, backgrounds, and lifestyles. Whether it's a slight thinning of the hair or complete baldness, the impact can be profound. It can be a source of embarrassment, anxiety, and even depression. The emotional burden of hair loss is often underestimated, but for many men, it can be a daily struggle. The constant worry about how others perceive them can lead to a significant decline in mental health. The fear of losing one's hair can be particularly acute in men, for whom a full head of hair is often associated with youthfulness and virility. Looking back at old photos, seeing a once full and vibrant head of hair can be a stark reminder of what has been lost. This can lead to a sense of mourning for their younger selves. While hair loss is often seen as a cosmetic issue, it can have a significant impact on a man's self-esteem and quality of life. The way a man perceives himself can change drastically, affecting his confidence in both personal and professional settings. This can lead to a withdrawal from social activities and a reluctance to engage in new experiences. The statistics are staggering. By the age of 50, more than 85% of men will experience some degree of hair loss. This means that the majority of men will face this issue at some point in their lives, making it a widespread concern that deserves attention and understanding. For some, this may manifest as a receding hairline or a thinning crown. These early signs can be distressing, as they often signal the beginning of a more extensive hair loss journey. Men may find themselves constantly checking the mirror, looking for signs of further loss. For others, it can lead to complete baldness. This can be particularly challenging to accept, as it represents a more permanent change in appearance. The transition to baldness can be a difficult process, requiring a significant adjustment in self-image. The emotional toll can be devastating. Men experiencing hair loss often report feelings of low self-confidence, social anxiety, and even depression. The impact on mental health can be severe, leading to a cycle of negative thoughts and feelings that can be hard to break. The good news is that scientists are making significant strides in understanding the causes of hair loss and developing new treatments. Research in this field is advancing rapidly, offering new hope for those affected. The dedication of researchers and the advancements in technology are paving the way for innovative solutions. A recent breakthrough has identified a protein called MCL1 as a key player in hair growth, offering a potential target for future therapies. This discovery is a significant step forward, providing a new avenue for treatment that could help millions of men regain their hair and their confidence. This discovery has the potential to revolutionize the way we treat hair loss and offer hope to millions of men who are struggling with this condition. With continued research and development, we may soon see new treatments that can effectively combat hair loss, restoring not just hair, but also the self-esteem and quality of life for many men around the world. For years, scientists have been trying to understand the complex mechanisms that govern hair growth. This quest has led them to explore various biological processes and molecular pathways that influence how hair follicles function. Hair growth is not just a simple, linear process. It involves a series of intricate steps and interactions at the cellular level. Hair follicles, the tiny structures in our skin that produce hair, are incredibly intricate. Each follicle is a mini-organ that undergoes a complex life cycle, including phases of growth, anagen, regression, catagen, and rest, telogen. Understanding these phases is crucial for developing treatments for hair loss and other hair-related conditions. They cycle through periods of growth and dormancy, with stem cells playing a crucial role in this process. Stem cells are the body's raw materials, capable of developing into different cell types. In hair follicles, they are responsible for regenerating the follicle and producing new hair during the growth phase. Researchers have now discovered a protein that appears to be essential for maintaining the health and activity of these hair follicle stem cells. This discovery is a significant milestone in the field of hair biology, as it provides new insights into how hair growth is regulated at the molecular level. This protein, called MCL1, has emerged as a critical regulator of hair growth. MCL1 stands for myeloid cell leukemia 1, and it is part of a larger family of proteins that are involved in various cellular processes, including cell survival, proliferation, and differentiation. MCL1 belongs to a family of proteins known for their role in cell survival and death. These proteins are part of the BCL2 family, which includes both pro-survival and pro-apoptotic members. The balance between these opposing forces determines whether a cell will live or undergo apoptosis, a form of programmed cell death. Scientists have discovered that MCL1 plays a crucial role in protecting hair follicle stem cells from apoptosis, a type of programmed cell death. Apoptosis is a natural process that helps the body eliminate damaged or unnecessary cells, but in the context of hair follicles, excessive apoptosis can lead to hair loss. By preventing apoptosis, MCL1 ensures that the stem cells remain viable and capable of generating new hair. This protective function is vital for maintaining the continuous cycle of hair growth and regeneration, which is essential for healthy hair. This breakthrough discovery has opened up new avenues for developing treatments that target MCL1 to promote hair growth. Researchers are now exploring various strategies to enhance MCL1 activity or increase its levels in hair follicles with the aim of developing effective therapies for hair loss. By understanding how MCL1 functions within the hair follicle, scientists can potentially develop therapies that either boost its levels or enhance its activity. These therapies could offer new hope for individuals suffering from hair loss conditions, providing them with more effective and targeted treatment options. The journey to fully understand and harness the power of MCL1 is ongoing, but the potential benefits for hair health are immense. To investigate the role of MCL1 in hair growth, scientists conducted experiments on mice. These studies provided compelling evidence that MCL1 is indeed essential for maintaining a healthy head of hair. By manipulating the levels of MCL1 in mice, researchers were able to observe its direct impact on hair growth. In one set of experiments, scientists blocked the production of MCL1 in the hair follicle stem cells of mice. Within 90 days, the mice experienced significant hair loss, demonstrating the critical role of MCL1 in hair growth. The hair loss observed in these mice was not due to any damage to the hair follicles themselves, but rather to the inability of the stem cells to produce new hair without sufficient MCL1. These findings have significant implications for understanding and potentially treating hair loss in humans. If MCL1 functions similarly in human hair follicles, then boosting its levels could hold the key to preventing or even reversing hair loss. The discovery of MCL1's role in hair growth has sparked immense excitement in the scientific community. This breakthrough has opened up new avenues for research and potential treatments that could revolutionize the way we approach hair loss. Scientists have long been searching for a reliable solution to this common problem, and the identification of MCL1 as a key player in hair follicle health is a major milestone. This discovery has raised hopes for new and effective treatments for hair loss. People suffering from hair loss often experience a significant impact on their self-esteem and quality of life. The potential to restore hair growth and improve hair health could bring renewed confidence and happiness to millions of individuals worldwide. Researchers are now exploring various strategies to boost MCL1 levels or enhance its activity in hair follicles. This involves a deep dive into the molecular mechanisms that regulate hair growth and the role of MCL1 in these processes. By understanding how MCL1 functions at a cellular level, scientists hope to develop targeted therapies that can effectively stimulate hair growth. The ultimate goal is to develop safe and effective therapies for human use. This requires rigorous testing and validation to ensure that any new treatment is both effective and free from harmful side effects. The journey from initial discovery to a market-ready product is complex and requires collaboration across multiple disciplines, including biology, chemistry, and clinical medicine. One promising approach involves developing drugs that specifically target and increase the production of MCL1 within hair follicle stem cells. These drugs would need to be carefully designed to target hair follicles specifically, ensuring that they do not affect other cells or tissues in the body. This precision targeting is crucial to minimize the risk of side effects and maximize the effectiveness of the treatment. These drugs would need to be carefully designed to target hair follicles specifically, minimizing the risk of side effects in other parts of the body. This involves sophisticated drug design and delivery systems that can precisely target the hair follicles without affecting other cells or tissues. Minimizing the risk of side effects is a critical aspect of developing any new treatment. Researchers are conducting extensive studies to understand the potential impacts of these drugs on the body and to ensure that they are safe for long-term use. This involves a combination of laboratory experiments, animal studies, and eventually, human clinical trials. Another strategy involves identifying naturally occurring compounds that can boost MCL1 levels. Researchers are exploring a wide range of natural substances, including plant extracts and other bioactive compounds, to find those that can effectively promote hair growth. These natural compounds could offer a gentler alternative to synthetic drugs, with potentially fewer side effects. Alternatively, scientists are also developing synthetic molecules that can mimic the effects of MCL1. These molecules are designed to interact with the same cellular pathways as MCL1, promoting the survival and activity of hair follicle stem cells. This approach combines the precision of modern drug design with the biological insights gained from studying MCL1. Promoting the survival and activity of hair follicle stem cells is essential for maintaining healthy hair growth. By enhancing the function of these stem cells, researchers hope to develop treatments that can not only prevent hair loss but also stimulate the regrowth of lost hair. This could provide a long-term solution for individuals suffering from various forms of hair loss. Clinical trials in humans will be essential to determine the safety and efficacy of any potential MCL1-based therapies. These trials involve testing the new treatments on volunteers to assess their effects and identify any potential side effects. The results of these trials will provide critical data that will guide the further development and refinement of these therapies. While the journey from promising research to an approved treatment can be lengthy and complex, the potential benefits make it a worthwhile endeavor. The process involves multiple stages, including preclinical research, clinical trials, regulatory approval, and finally, commercialization. Each stage requires careful planning, execution, and collaboration among scientists, clinicians, and regulatory authorities. The discovery of MCL1's role in hair growth represents a significant step forward in the quest for a cure for hair loss. It offers new hope for millions of people affected by this condition and paves the way for innovative treatments that could transform their lives. As research continues, we move closer to a future where hair loss can be effectively treated and